Hey there, amazing parents! Welcome to another episode of Parenting Hacks, where we share tips and tricks to make your parenting journey smoother and more enjoyable. Ready to transform your parenting game and create a more harmonious home environment? Today, I'm sharing some incredible hacks for positive discipline that'll make your home a happier, more respectful place. These tips are designed to help you foster a loving and supportive atmosphere where your children can thrive. Let's dive in and explore these effective strategies together. First up, let's talk about setting clear expectations. Clear expectations are key to a well-functioning household. Kids feel secure when they know the rules and the consequences. It gives them a sense of structure and predictability, which is essential for their development. Instead of focusing on punishment, frame it as a learning experience. This approach helps children understand the reasons behind the rules and encourages them to follow them willingly. For example, if your child forgets to put away their toys, calmly explain the importance of tidiness and involve them in the cleanup. This not only teaches responsibility, but also reinforces the value of teamwork. Next, let's talk about the power of positive reinforcement. Reinforce good behavior through positive reinforcement. Praise your child when they do something right. Positive reinforcement encourages them to repeat the behavior. A simple "I'm proud of you" can go a long way in boosting their confidence and self-esteem. It's not about bribery. It's about reinforcing the behavior you want to see more of. Consistent positive feedback helps children understand what is expected of them. Now, let's explore the importance of communication. Effective communication is crucial in positive discipline. Sometimes, it's not what you say, but how you say it. The tone of your voice can make a big difference in how your message is received. Use a calm and assertive tone. This shows that you are in control and that you care about their feelings. Instead of saying "don't hit your sister," try "we use gentle hands in this house." This shifts the focus from what they shouldn't do to what they should do. This approach helps children understand the desired behavior and encourages them to act accordingly. Developing emotional intelligence is another powerful tool. Help your child understand their emotions by naming them. This helps them recognize and manage their feelings. If they're upset, say something like, "I see you're feeling frustrated. It's okay to feel that way." This validates their feelings and teaches them to express emotions healthily. This validation is crucial for their emotional development and helps them feel understood and supported. Creating a supportive home environment is crucial. Be consistent with your rules and follow through with consequences. Consistency helps children know what to expect and understand the importance of rules. When children see that rules are consistently enforced, they are more likely to follow them and understand their value. Consistency helps children know what to expect and understand the importance of rules. It creates a stable and predictable environment where they can thrive. Lastly, let's talk about the importance of bonding through quality time. Spend one-on-one time with each child, doing activities they love. This strengthens your bond and shows them they're valued. Quality time is essential for building a strong and loving relationship with your child. It strengthens your bond and shows them they're valued. It also provides an opportunity to connect and understand each other better. Remember, parenting is a journey, not a race. Take it one step at a time and enjoy the process. Mistakes are okay. They're opportunities to learn and grow. Embrace them as part of the learning process for both you and your child. By using positive discipline, you're setting your children up for success and creating a loving, respectful home. These strategies will help you build a strong foundation for your family. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more parenting hacks. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content. Thanks for watching, and happy parenting. Remember, you've got this.